Everybody, my name's Ken. I'm the founder of Yogger. I'm here to walk you through our two separate products, the Video Analysis Tool and our automated movement screenings. So first up, Yogger is a markerless motion capture technology. So it's all mobile based. It works with any type of video or any type of footage. So whether this is pre-recorded video or when you record in the app, the tracking works through computer vision and AI, so you don't need any extra hardware, equipment, or setup or anything like that. We have two core products. One is a video analysis tool. This is really good for freeform analysis, like coaching technique or sport-specific technique. It works in fitness. People even use it for things like dancing or other movements. Our second tool is an automated movement screening. This is similar to the functional movement screen. It's automatic, where the app does all the work in terms of tracking the movement. It'll give you objective data and then also an easy to understand score, so you can track progress over time. So this is really good for standardizing your assessments. Again, getting real data on clients and athletes that you can point to progress. And then also you can use it as a service to increase your revenue stream. First, we're gonna go through the video analysis tool. So again, this works with any type of video, and you have the option to either upload a video into the app or record it in the app. If you go to the main analyze screen, you'll see options to upload and record. For this demo, for the record option, it'll pull up a camera. It looks a lot like the device camera. You have settings up top here where you can choose the frames per second it records at and also the dimensions. Once you record or upload a video, you can pull it up in the playback view. And this is where you can do a really in-depth analysis. On the left-hand side, there will be a little menu that you can toggle down, and this gives you a lot of features that you can use to analyze a video. First up, there is a toggle the viewing options, where you can look at just the tracking of the lines on the screen without the video. You can toggle that through a 3D option, just the plain video, and then back to the default, which is the tracking over the video. As I move through the video, you can see all the joints and angles are calculated automatically, so I didn't have to touch the screen. I didn't have to do anything to do that. It should pick up any type of video and automatically track. One of the major features on this screen is this joint angle one here. And what you can do is you can pull this menu up. You can isolate certain joints to calculate those angles dynamically. So for example, if I pull up maybe bilateral knee flexion, you'll see that in the bottom right corner, you'll see those angles. And as I move frame by frame, it'll update with each angle. Another core feature is a joint path tracking tool. So if you select this option, it will draw the path of the joint throughout the motion and give a heat map where red means faster, green means slower. In addition to those, we have basic drawing tools where you can manually draw angles. You can draw reference lines, horizontal and vertical. You can free draw on the screen, change the color, and then even measure distance between 2 points. For more advanced features in the video analysis, we have a side-by-side analysis. So if you want to compare a before and after, or maybe how your athlete's moving to a gold standard, this is a really good option. What it'll do is it'll stack two videos right on top of each other. And again, those joint angle features and the joint path tracking will appear in both different videos side by side. If you're trying to give something your athlete to go home with, or kind of just record your thoughts, or perhaps this is a virtual service where somebody sends you a video and you send the analysis back, the screen recording is a great option. So you can pull up the screen recording. It'll record everything from what you see on screen to what you're talking through. It'll record the audio, and then the output is a nice video with all your audio, any annotations on the screen, and you can send that directly to your clients or save it to their library. The last advanced option is a graph view, where you can dynamically plot those joint angles over time on a graph. And as you do this, there are options to export this data into a spreadsheet or put it into a report, which I will talk about later. So a lot of that is the video analysis tool. For more advanced features, we have a thing called the athlete Dropbox, where athletes can send you videos. This way they don't need the app. It's really easy video sharing, where they can drop the video into the Dropbox, we call it, and it'll get set straight to the coach and available in the app for them. From here, you can take it through a dynamic report builder, which is in the web app, where you can go through, type down your thoughts, do an analysis, add frames into the reports. You can send this back to your client with your branding to add a nice professional touch. And then also with this, you have the ability, again, to add in those dynamic graphs or any frames from the video as well. We also have a web application where you can edit settings for your athlete Dropbox. You can create report templates. So if you're doing many similar analyses frequently, for example, like if you're doing a running analysis and offer that as a service, you can create a template to make it more speedy and efficient, where you can open up the template, add the correct frames, and write in your thoughts, and then just download that PDF and send it to your clients. So that is most of our features for the video analysis tool. It's good for freeform analysis, for sport-specific analysis, gait analysis, really any type of movement where something isn't covered in our automated assessments is really good use of the video analysis tool. Thanks everybody for your time. There's free trials available for the video analysis tools. If you're interested in the assessments, you can book a call with us to discuss how we can implement them into your clinic or your programs. With that, my name is Ken. Keep moving, keep grooving. Yogger out. See you later.